In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can check and see your Instagram achievements. Instagram achievements are vital as they validate your efforts and expertise, boosting credibility and authority within your niche. They serve as powerful networking tools, attracting potential collaborators and sponsors, and open doors for monetization through sponsorships and sales. To check out your achievements on Instagram, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto the option of Professional Dashboard right here. On this page, you will see the option of Achievements. Head into it and tap right here on See All. These right here are my Instagram achievements. Go and check out your achievements and let us know in the comments section how far you have reached. That's how easy it is to see your Instagram achievements. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.